compensate for the loss. Living life by your toss, and the coin's double-sided. Bad end of a waltz. Don't cry for me ever, don't even wanna sob. And you know that I'm lying, you could give me a side. Where go BBS's in my mama's garage. Is that really you? I'm so tired of inside, and I got another hit. No, these niggas can't dodge. Girl, your ass so fat, hope it ain't in a mirage. Or inside of my dream while we're in exotic cars. Yeah, we can take a trip to the darkest side of Mars. And I don't need no LSD, you might try this bar, cause I wanna get you right before you hit inside the bar. Yeah, we so high and fly, living superstar. And I hope you stay high off life, living in your car. While looking through your rear view, what drove you so far? With nothing left to lose, searching for the trump card.
I be on my wild side, smoking on quiche on cloud 9, sipping that crew, that strong wine with a bad bitch. Yeah, she's a dime and I'm sitting low in a nice sedan, counting up paper cause I'm on the grind. When you niggas see me, I'm doing fine, and all y'all talking about is hard times. To me, y'all motherfuckers still blind. I tell my team it's our time. Get the fans, do the shows, cash checks, prime time. That's what's running through my mind. Get money for a lifetime, get money before my time, before our time is all time.
Did you hear him, nigga? Our time. I can do it many ways, all the time, all day, all night. Surreal ain't gonna starlight. I ain't hotter than sunlight. During high noon when the sun bright. Cause here's the last chance, like you look. Like we had some aces. This is what I do this shit faceless. The greatest trap I ever made, and you never know I'd make it. No fingerprints, nigga, so there's no way I could claim it. Only I know it was there. What's pain to the famous? You can smoke it all away, cause so dumb, call it brainless. Can't get up, you so damn, why so weighted? Cause there's nothing left to fear, cause I beat the greatest. There's no